Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable retirement income planning with TIAA, full guide step by step clearly. To enable retirement income planning with TIAA, start by gathering your financial documents. This includes your income statements, expenses, and any existing retirement accounts. Visit the TIAA website and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your TIAA account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Retirement Planning section. Explore the tools and resources available for retirement income planning. Use the Retirement Income Calculator to assess your potential income needs. Input your financial data into the calculator for a customized analysis. Review the projected income options based on your current savings. Consider various investment options provided by TIAA for maximizing your retirement income. Research annuities and other products that TIAA offers to generate stable income. Schedule a consultation with a TIAA advisor for personalized advice. Prepare questions regarding your retirement goals and financial strategy for the meeting. Discuss your investment preferences and risk tolerance with the advisor. Evaluate the recommendations provided by the advisor. Make informed decisions based on your analysis and recommendations. Complete any necessary paperwork to set up your selected investment or annuity products. Regularly review your retirement income plan as your financial situation changes. Stay informed about TIAA's updates and new products that may benefit your retirement strategy. Adjust your plan as needed to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.